All right.
Camera.
Where's the camera? Oh.
Down there.
And here's what we're doing. How you guys doing today? Still on that grind, boy. It's not gonna stop. It's life. If you're working alone still on that grind, solo dolo, go ahead and put solo dolo down in the comments. Just trying to finish up the coop. Trying to get this epic shot content for you guys. Gotta out this sawdust. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Just gonna get out here, dump out all this sawdust from the workshop. I'm gonna throw it at the bottom of the coop. Sawdust in the eyes, dirt in the eyes. Coop's finally done. Here we go. Check out what we got here. These guys are gonna be getting out pretty soon. I gotta go back into the shed to get the other bag of the mulch. Type in holler in the comments if you can hear me right now. Holler. Whew. Just want to say to everyone watching, thank you for watching, following along this journey. Been on this journey 100% alone for many years without knowing where it was going or why I was doing it. But I just come to realize that even if I had everything in the world, this is what I would come back to be doing anyways. So that's a blessing. I'm already living the dream. Can you feel me? Feel me on that? I'm already living the dream, despite it not going anywhere, seemingly. Problem is, that's just my dream, not necessarily my wife's dreams or my children's dreams. That's why we got to do something just a little bit more, a little bit more successful, a little bit more I don't know, something. It's not about money. It's more about putting myself out there, giving everybody the why I do this, how it makes me feel. So that my kids will understand one day. Just be able to see the journey, or even my grandkids and great grandkids be able to leave an impact on their lives. Whoo, it's getting dusty. So I'm gonna spread all these shavings from the wood shop, and I'm gonna wet it all down so that the dust doesn't continue to blow everywhere. Later this afternoon, hopefully be able to unleash the chickens with all the kids in here. Out, hey, out, you can't be in here. It's not your area no more. All right, here we go. Well, wonder how it's looking. How's it looking? Here we go. What's your name?
My name is Ariana Ginsa, and I'm here doing this video today.
Oh. And your name?
My name is Shaya.
And what's your favorite part about having chickens?
My favorite part about having chickens is that we get a lot of eggs. Also, it was fun when they were chicks because they were so small, and then we get them to play a lot. But when they're big, they're a little bit scary, but it's okay.
Come here, Nehemiah. Come over here. Stand up here. Hey. What's your name? And what's your favorite part about having chickens?
I like it. They're soft.
Oh, they're soft. Nice. What's your name? And why do you like having chickens? What's your favorite chicken chore?
Holding them.
Like bonding with them? What do you not like about having chickens?
They're poopy.
What? The dogs? There.